Hi again, everyone. This is Liz with LSN Tap. We're looking at the second set of 10 slides that were presented at the EJC conference in St. Louis in earlier May 2013. And yep, just going to walk through what each of the tips are very briefly. So let's get going. The first one here is that you can merge your calendars. If you use Outlook, you can merge two calendars. You just click this little arrow up here on the corner of the second calendar, and it'll put everything into one calendar just so you don't have to flick back and forth between them. So that's just a nice little tool if you're working with a group or trying to schedule things with other people. Okay, and Google has a URL shortener that Bonus also creates a QR code. That's these little boxes that looks like fuzz that you can scan with a smartphone. It'll take you to a website. It's spelled wrong up here. It's spelled like it is down here, Goo.gl. Sorry for whoever's toes I'm stepping on, but just so you can find it, Goo.gl. We also have Chrome Remote Desktop. That's just basically a really good tool for troubleshooting any computer issues. It just lets somebody else on another machine access your computer, or you can access someone else's just temporarily. That's about it. You can also integrate that with Google Hangouts, so you can chat with the person while you're looking at their computer and talk about what's wrong and what's going on. These are just some tips about using Gmail. You can use a plus sign, just sort of automatically sort your emails. So if you put your email address plus banking, it'll sort all of the emails from your bank or that have to do with banking into a specific folder within your Gmail account. Also, you can get rid of any periods that you might have in your email address because Google doesn't recognize them. So that's pretty cool. You can see an example up here of using the plus. So that would be like when you write down your email address for someone else, you would include that plus and it would sort automatically. 10-minute mail is just a handy little way to get out of subscribing yourself to a whole bunch of junk mail. Basically, you just use it to sign up for a service, and then the email address disappears so that you don't get all of the spam that comes after it. And then the Center for Information Technology at Princeton, check them out on YouTube. They just have a lot of great tech-related lectures that you can look at. That's about it. Boxcryptor just encrypts files that you store on the cloud through apps such as Dropbox or SugarSync. On your Google Drive, it'll encrypt all those. It's also cross-platform, so you can use it on Windows, Mac, on your smartphone, Android, or iOS. And it's free for non-commercial use, not for commercial use. And then the final one right now is Ustream. It's just basically live broadcasting. It's just a live video stream that you can send out a link and other people can watch it. So it's good for stuff like conferences and trainings, like it says over here. It was actually developed for soldiers so that they could chat with their families all at once back home. So it's kind of a neat little backstory to it. There's also a chat and some social networking tracking stuff that goes along with it. So that might be a great service for your next training. And that was the second 10 set of slides. So stay tuned for number 3 coming up soon. Thanks!